not look good if you're shouting. So, good morning. Good morning,
Good
children.
morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good
Uh,
morning, ma'am.
yes, beta, one thing I want to tell all of you that all of you will get a chance. So, don't rush, don't create a commotion.
My turn has not yet read.
Sakib or Sahil?
Sahil.
Sahil,
Sahil.
fine. Fine, Sahil. Okay. You take up, beta. And slowly
Can,
and clearly. Okay, don't shout.
okay, ma'am.
Start.
It can also be dyed in a wide variety of colors. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpets.
Thank you. Now, what there's another specialty about rayon is that it can be dyed. What is the meaning of dyed, beta? That means I can put the
Color
colors and
करना.
make it, yes, and make it pakka. That means it is it's a fast color. That is called dye in many varieties of colors. When we use this rayon with cotton, we can make bed sheets, and when we mix it with wool, we can make carpets. So you can see over here, these are carpets. So with wool, it is the rayon is mixed with wool, you can make carpets. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Rayon.
Rayon. Rayon is
Rayon
prepared
is
from
prepared from cellulose.
cellulose.
Sahil,
Oh, cellulose is a natural
Sahil,
polymer. Polymer.
Sahil, Sahil, please. We have already read one slide. Allow others to also take up.
I, ma'am.
Okay, Sufyan, ma'am.
Ali Zala is reading from first lecture and he read many slides.
That is what I was saying. Let others also take the chance. You sh-
Now, my
when you have got the chance, leave it for others, please. That's how I
turn.
want you to behave,
Okay,
please.
ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, beta.
Rayon is prepared from cellulose. So, cellulose is a natural polymer. It needs extensive chemical treatment to form rayon. It is also called artificial silk. It absorbs moisture and is comfortable to wear. It can be easily dyed in vivid colors.
Okay. Now, rayon, we know that it is from wood pulp or cellulose. Now,
Ma'am,
cellulose,
what
we
is
know
cellulose?
it's a part of plant matter which animals can digest. In grass, we have cellulose. Cellulose is a cell wall. I cannot go in detail. When I teach you the cell portion, then you will understand. See, this is a cell, right? And this is nucleus. Yes or no? Now this has got cell wall. Now this cell wall is made up of cellulose. You understand now? So the plants eat grass. So they have the ability to digest cellulose. Why? Because bacteria is present in the intestine. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it clear?
ma'am.
Okay. We cannot digest. We cannot eat grass. Remember that. We cannot eat grass. We cannot digest it. Okay. Usually plants, whatever plants we take, we cook it and digest it. We generally don't take all the vegetables as raw. We don't have the capacity to digest them. Remember
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Okay? That's why we cook it. Okay. Now, afterwards, it has been treated chemically. So what we get, beta? What we get? Rayon. This is also named as artificial silk. What is the specialty about this? That it can absorb a bit of moisture, and when you wear it, you feel good. You can use different colors to color it. Vivid colors means large variety of colors. That is called vivid colors, bright colors. You want me to explain any more?
No, ma'am.
Now let's see properties of rayon one by one. These are the properties of rayon. First one
Properties
is
of
what?
easily dyed and woven into clothes.
So you can color it up and you can make it
Ma'am,
a
Sophia is
cloth.
reading
What is
second
this?
slide.
So Sufia, you are really second, sir. Fine. Okay. Anyone else
Yes.
who did not get the chance? You can read, beta, but read properly.
No one is reading.
Can I read
Okay.
properties of rayon? Drapes well.
Drapes well.
Drapes
Drapes
well.
means you can wear it. Drapes matlab you can wear the sari very well.
Yes.
That is called drape. Then what is
Mysterious
this?
in appearance.
Lustrous. Lustrous, beta.
Lust,
Say it again. Lustrous.
lustrous.
What is lustrous? Shiny, glossy, bright. So they are very shiny in appearance. Next,
Good absorbent of sweet.
absorbent. Absorbent. Say
Good absorbent of sweet.
sweat. Sweat, sweat. Not
Sweat.
sweet,
Sweet.
sweat. Okay?
Sweat.
So whatever perspiration we are having, if we are sweating, it absorbs it very nicely. So it can absorb the sweat. So you feel comfortable. I hope the things are clear regarding properties of rayon. Boys?
Yes.
Yes, continue.
Okay. Now we'll see uses of rayon one by one. Please read the first one.
Mixed with class of helmets.
So the helmets that your papa wears or your brother, elder brother wears or your uncle wears, whoever wears, is mixed with fiberglass. Okay,
Yes.
for making helmets. Next is
Usually used to make jackets and tracksuits.
no, only one will read better. This slide is meant for only one person. The person who
Yes,
read that
anybody.
first one, helmet, will continue with the same thing. Okay. Who was reading better? Please continue.
Yes, yes.
Used to make jackets and tracksuits.
So this is rayon is used to make jackets as well as track suits. I think you know that what are track suits and jackets. What is this?
Surgical dressings.
That means if there's a surgery, if your hand or your stomach or your any body part has been cut or wounded and it has been stitched for dressing, we use rayon. Next,
Ma'am, it's green color.
next.
Ma'am,
And
it is a
for
green color.
Yes, what are you saying?
It is a surgical dress. It is a green color.
Yeah, that's true. Reinforcing nylon tires. What is the meaning of reinforcing? You are making it strong. Along with rayon, we are making nylon tires strong. Is it clear? That is called reinforcing nylon tires.
yes. Yes.
Yes. Next,
Upholstery for luxury cars.
upholstery. Say it again.
Upholstery
Upholstery.
for luxury
Luxury
cars
cars,
and often home
furnishings.
furnishings.
That means you have already luxury cars. So the draperies, that means the seat covers and all this, that's called upholstery. And in the office or home also, you can use the draperies, the furnishings with rayon. It looks very rich. Okay, your home looks beautiful, your office looks beautiful when you
Yes.
use this rayon. Next,
Curtains because it
curtains,
wraps
beta,
with
it is curtains.
curtains.
Please don't hurry up.
Curtains
Read properly and pronounce it properly, please. Curtains because
curtains
it drapes
because
well.
it
Very
wraps
good.
well.
Drapes well. That means curtains should be at one place, isn't it better? It looks beautiful. It's hanging at one side. It's bright. It adds to the uh, beauty of your room, isn't it? So it looks beautiful. Then
Grass material because it is soft, silky, and moisture absorbent.
so you can use it as a dress material also. Why? Because it's very soft, silky, and it absorbs your sweat. So
Yes.
you are very comfortable. Is it clear? The uses of rayon one by one we have learned everything.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
find any, do you find this problematic?
No man.
Okay, fine. Now
Types
the
of
second,
synthetic fibers.
yes, second one that we are going to read is nylon. Rayon
Types
is
of
over.
synthetic fibers.
Rayon
Nylon.
is. Will you allow me to speak, Beta?
Decided.
Please. I just wanted to ask you. Now the rayon is over. Do you want me to ask any question on rayon?
No.
No man.
Fine. So now we are going to read about nylon. Please start to read.
Nylon. Nylon is another man-made fiber. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw material from plant or
Don't
animal.
rush. Don't rush. Don't rush, please.
Nylon is another man-made fiber in 1931.
There's a
It
full
was
stop
made with and full stop का comma है इधर.
after fiber.
Yes, fiber. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw material, animal from plant or animal. It was prepared from coal, water, and air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber.
Understood? The difference. Rayon is from the plant base, but we call it as a synthetic fiber, whereas nylon is fully synthetic. Is it clear? So this is another man-made fiber. So
Yes,
in 31, it was nothing was used, no natural raw material was used, either from plant or animal, but it was only prepared from coal, water, air by researchers, by scientists. So it was the first fully synthetic fiber. Want to see
Nylon.
more of nylon? Yes, Vita.
Chemically, it is a polyamide, a polymer. It is the strongest synthetic plastic material which can be molded to any shape. It is strong and easy to dye. Nylon fibers do not absorb water easily. It is elastic in nature and hence highly durable.
Yeah. So what is nylon exactly? It is a polyamide or a polymer. It is a polymer, means it's a long chain of monomers. Very strong. Rather, in all the synthetic fiber, nylon is the strongest synthetic plastic material which you can give shape, which you can any type of shape you can give to it. Very strong and it can take the color very easily. So you can dye it very easily. Also, it does not absorb water. So that means you can squeeze water out of it. By any chance, if nylon gets into water, you can squeeze it out very easily. You can pull it, so it is elastic in nature and it's very, very durable. Means it longs, not long, its longevity is very high and it remains with us for a longer period of time. That is nylon. Same way, we are going to see the properties of nylon. Please read Vita.
toughest elastic material.
So we know that already, right? This stuff is elastic material. Then,
High tensile strength.
what is the
Tensile
meaning of tensile strength? What is the meaning of tensile strength? You can pull it. What is the meaning of tensile strength, Vita? You can pull it.
strength.
It is elastic, so you can pull it. That is called as tensile strength. So I'm giving it a meaning of the tensile strength. That means its elasticity is high. Next,
Slightly water absorption.
finished.
Slightly water absorbent. Dries quickly.
So it absorbs water a little, so it dries very fast. You can see nylon clothes dry very fast, cotton clothes takes so much of time. Yes. Next,
Yes, I can be
It can be
it
molded
can
molded
be,
into
into
fiber.
fibers,
it can be. Yes,
bracelets,
Sahil,
sheets.
continue.
Uh,
Bristles, bristles.
yes, ma'am. It It can be molded into fiber, bristles, sheets, rods,
Rods,
tubes, and
tubes,
coatings.
coatings. Okay. So you can shape it, you can mold it, you can make it into fibers, that is thread-like structures. Bristles. What are bristles? You know, that toothbrushes you have. Do you have toothbrush?
Yes, in the brushes.
Yeah, the brush is bristles. With which you are brushing your teeth is called as bristles. Okay, that is made of nylon. Then you have the nylon sheets, you have rods, you have tubes, and you have got nylon coatings as well. So in all these aspects, nylon is being used. What is the other property? Please continue. Sahil,
Insects or
Yes,
yeast,
ma'am.
moth,
This
lizards,
resist.
and
is
other pests.
soil, weeds, moss, fungus, and other pesticides.
Only pest acid. There is no pesticides over there. Don't read extra. Now,
Pesticides.
if nylon, if oil falls over there, you can remove it. Grease, you can remove it. Moths, fungus, and other pests, they don't eat nylon. Is it clear now? So nylon is free from moth, fungus, and other pests. That means there will be no holes in nylon clothes. Whereas in cotton clothes, you can see there are you get small holes. Yes or no? And it is infected by fungus. Also, black spots on cotton clothes you can observe. I hope you got it. Whereas in nylon, it is free from all this infection, that is fungal or other pest infection. Even moths cannot make holes in the nylon clothes. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can be made into plates or powdered.
Pellets can be made into pellets or powder. Now, can be made
Ma'am, it
into
is
small pieces. It should be pellets. It's written wrong. It should be pellets. 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 That means small pieces. Or you can powder it. Okay? Yes.
is hard rust and easy to wash.
It is shiny and you can wash it very easily.
Yes.
I think it's over. You understood, I think, the properties of nylon. Now, some more about nylon as a part of revision. I've taken it. Let's read
Ma'am,
it. Yes.
Now I read.
Yes, you can read with it.
I
Please
read.
put out the mic
Now
first.
fiber is strong. Nylon fiber is strong, elastic,
I said put out
and
the mic.
light.
Who is reading?
Put off the mic, Ali Raza. There is so much disturbance.
Sahil?
my mic
Sahil,
is
you have to
off and
stop it. Okay, Ali
Ali
is
Raza
here.
ને read કરવાનું કીધું છે.
Ali, read it.
Okay, ma'am. Nylon fiber is strong, elastic, and light. It was lustrous and easy to wash.
Lustrous.
Lustrous and easy to wash. So it became very popular for making clothes. We use many articles made from nylon, such as socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, car, seat belts, sleeping bags, certain etc.
Curtains, beta.
Curtains, etc.
Okay, so this is almost like a revision. This we have already done. You can see over here. So these are the drapes. These are the curtains. This one is curtain. Can you see this? These are articles. This is the cord. So these are the articles from nylon. So it is strong, elastic, and very light, shiny. You can wash it very easily. So it became very popular. The articles that we get from nylon are socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, car seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains, and many other things. Any problem?
No. Nylon is also used for making
Yes, read better.
nylon is
Nylon,
also used for making parachutes and ropes for rock
Parachutes.
climbing.
Parachutes.
Parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. A nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire.
Now, it is also used for making parachutes. You know what are parachutes? People jump from the aeroplane with the
yes,
parachute
yes,
on.
I
That is
know.
parachute.
Skydiving.
And ropes for rock climbing. People who go for trekking, for rock climbing, for mountain climbing, they
Okay.
use these ropes made of nylon. Now, this nylon thread is very, very strong. It is stronger than a steel wire. You can understand why nylon is being
Yes.
used first.
When it does not break, when
This one you can
very
see
heavy
is rock
person,
climbing, and this
when
is
it does not
parachute.
break,
Yes, beta.
it does not break when a heavy person use it to
Uh,
climb the
can you
mountain.
adjust your mic? Can you adjust your mic? I'm not at all able to hear what you are saying.
It cannot break.
No, it does not break. The tensile strength is very high. It is being
Okay.
checked already. No, beta. When they make it, they check it. They check the breaking capacity, and accordingly, it's been used. Let's see uses of nylon. See what
Stretchable,
is written.
weird.
Wears.
There.
The nylon, yeah, nylon clothes that you wear, they are stretchable. You know, you can
Yes,
anybody can fit in. Stretchable jeans have, I think you know that.
I am.
Yes. What else?
Seat
What are
belt.
the seat belts? Then
Number 15. Upholstery.
upholstery that I've already taught you.
Upholstery.
Then,
Ropes.
then
Rail thread.
real thread. That means you use for sewing purpose, right? Sewing
Sewing.
purpose.
Oh
Yes.
yes.
Then any
Bed.
type of thread. Then,
Sleeping bags. Now what
then
is sleeping bags or pillows?
sleeping bags when you are living in a tent. When you go and live in a tent in a mountainous area or in a forest,
Yes.
so you have to you don't have to take your bedding along with you. You get into the sleeping bag, zip yourself up and sleep in. You will be warm. You don't have to wear anything else. That means you don't
Okay.
have to take what you call it as rug. You don't have to take any sheet.
Backpacks.
You just go inside the sleeping bag, just zip yourself up and go to sleep.
Okay,
You are
ma'am.
you are comfortable. Swimming wears. Swimming wears means
We does
costumes.
we do not feel dehydrated.
No, don't feel because obviously it will be cold over there. So you don't sweat out.
Swimming,
Okay.
raincoats,
Raincoats,
tracksuits,
then
fishing nets and fishing lines.
so understood this much that
Yes,
we are using nylon ropes for fishing nets as well as fishing lines. Then
lines, making saris.
that's all. I think it's over. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, these are the uses of nylon. Now we are going to work
Yes.
on polyester and acrylic. So what we finished? We finished rayon,
Nylon.
uses and properties. Let me finish, beta. Rayon, uses and its properties. And we did nylon, uses and its properties. Right, beta? Now the
Yes,
third one that
ma'am.
we are going to work on is polyester and acrylic.
Acrylic.
Do you have
Polyester
any
is
problems so far?
no, ma'am, no problem.
No.
Polyester is another synthetic fiber. Fabric made from this fiber does not get wrinkled easily. It remains crisp and is easy to wash, so it is quite suitable for making dress material. You must have seen people wearing nice polyester shirts and other dresses. Terylene is a popular Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, voice is coming.
Yeah?
Ma'am, no आवाज आ रही है?
No.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. We don't, we can't hear you. Ma'am,
Hello, ma'am. You can hear me?